like essentially green curry kinda means Thai. Oh shit, sorry, the thing cut off. So anyway, the code name green curry actually means Thai lah, okay. Then after that, so whenever I go, like whenever I have a shitty day or something, or I like have a day where I like particularly kind of, I don't know, feel something towards Thai, I'll tell my friends like, oh guys, it's a green curry day. Then they will like kind of know lah. So yeah, then without him actually knowing, right? So yeah. Then um my god, my friend was like, my friend, I think she was getting really really hyped up or something. Then she was like laughing like damn loudly. Okay, I don't know why it keeps cutting me off at 4 seconds, but like yeah, she was like laughing damn loudly and getting into the mood and everything. Then suddenly somebody like brought up that guy's EC. Then she started getting on the bandwagon as well, going like, oh, who's your EC, who's your EC? Then she started asking everybody like, who's your EC, who's your EC? Then like um I don't know lah, a lot of confusing things happen lah. Then I was just talking to Tai at the corner of the table, right? Then after that suddenly she was like, hey, Jen, you know, maybe we should have gone to that Thai place to get some green curry, ha 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 ha. Then all my good friends who know about it in class, right, they started laughing also. And they're like, ha 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 ha, yeah yeah yeah, like why don't you get some Thai green curry, right? Then I was like, oh my god, my heart started like beating really really quickly, because the thing is that when you did it right, I feel like I forgave you a lot easier, because I knew that like you didn't mean it, and I knew that if you knew that I liked, then you wouldn't like do that to me, you know what I mean? That's why I kind of like being friends with guys, because they won't like do this sort of stupid shit to you. Like, but the issue is that she was my really good friend, and I didn't think she would do that to me. And like she, I don't know lah, she knew that I liked him. Then I was like, oh my god, what the fuck. Then Tai was like, huh? Okay, so thank God for the fact that Tai was like either super oblivious or like acting super oblivious. Then he was like, huh, what's happening, what's happening? Then I was like, oh no, it's like an inside joke, like you won't get it. Then he's like, is it a lit thing? Then I was like, yeah, it's a lit joke, ha 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 ha. Then she basically like cut in and said, no, it's not a lit joke. Why don't you explain to him what a joke is, Jen? I'm like, oh my god, I was starting to get like damn scared, because they kept saying the words Thai green curry together. Then I was like, oh my god, can you don't fucking say it, because the more you say it, like the more likely he's gonna guess, right? Then I was like, oh my god, if he finds out, like I'm totally screwed, eh. Then cause I was really angry also, cause normally when I'm in this kind of situation, right, last time when I was like super emo and like super hardcore and everything, I used to be like, oh, I have a knife, you know, then everybody would be like, oh my god, I'm so scared, that kind of thing. Now it's like I have a knife, eh, then everybody is like, haha, come and kill me, come and kill me, that kind of thing. Then I'm like, I just I felt like really shitty at the table, and I felt like that friend of mine was like holding all the power, because suddenly she started asking like my really, my other really good friend in class, who actually by the way also turned on me and like participated in her joke and like laughed at me, and I was like, wow, the air very spicy today, so spicy, so spicy, Jen needs some spice in her life. Then I'm like, oh my god, fucking, oh my god. Then I felt like I just wanted to die on the spot, but like I don't know if Tai noticed or not. I don't think he did lah, but like he's like damn oblivious. Then I could feel my heart beating faster and my face getting red and everything. I was like, oh my god. And then after that suddenly she turned on him after he was laughing at me with her, and then went like, oh the air very fresh today, cause the girl he likes, the code name is Glade. Then we always say, wow, the air very fresh today, like same, like the same way I say, wow, today's a green curry day, that kind of thing, you know what I mean? Then he's like, wow, it's damn bad ah. Then after that but the thing is that his is not as obvious as mine. Cause like what does the name Glade have to do with the chick, right? Then I was like, what the hell? Then like I don't know. Then suddenly I started observing that particular friend of mine, Kimberly or whatever. Then after that, I don't know lah. I felt a bit shitty, so I kind of excluded myself from the conversation a little bit. And then like I started like noticing her from like another perspective, and I'm not saying that she's a bad person, cause honestly speaking, she's a really good friend, and although she can be quite annoying sometimes, like I feel like she's worth having around lah. But essentially, I don't know. Then the thing is that she kept doing it. She like kept bringing it up on the way back. Then like as if it was very funny like that. Then I looked at her, right. Then I tried to give her, because I was like, you know what? Maybe she thinks it's all fun and games. Then I tried to look at her, telling her like I'm actually like really hurt by what you just did, that kind of thing. Then I gave her that look. Then she just, I don't know, it was like a evil, like, oh, I know something that about you, that and you don't know anything about me, that kind of thing. Then I don't know lah. I couldn't see her the same way. Then we went out to Orchard after that some more. Then she kept like making jokes and everybody was like laughing at her jokes. Then if you listen to it from an outsider's point of view, you realize that most of her jokes are made cause like she's bitching about people lah. And like TVH, I bitch about people too, and I think I'm a bitch, but like legit, I don't know. I felt really yeah.